Alright, I'm doing an average of 12. Using a Gohan. Got weird fucking lighting where it makes my shit green sometimes. I don't know. Whatever, I don't give a shit. Here we go. Here we go. Ah. 16.75. Fucked up the T-perm. It would have been better if I didn't do that. Another T-perm. 17.25. $18.82, getting worse and worse and worse. Ooh, 15.50. Alright. Alright. Nah. 15.47. If I didn't fuck up that U-perm, it might have been a 14. 15.64. Holy shit. I've never, ever, ever had 3 15s in a row. $17.50. Knew I wasn't gonna get 4 in a row. 4 in a row is asking too much. Oh. That fucked me up. 1822. That lockup fucked me all up. Locking up on a Guhong. See that shit? My store-bought wouldn't do that to me. Just kidding. No. E-perms. Fucking E-perm. 1816. Yeah. Ah. Yeah. 1697. Sounds like a video game. $20.51. Bullshit. Whoa. Whoa! Come on, you motherfucker! 16.78. Session average 1716. Best average of 12, 17, 16. Current average 17, 16. Best average of 5, 16, 13. Current average of 5, 17, 78. So the best average of, so the current average of 12 is 1716. It was the only average of 12 because it was the only one I did. So yeah, 1716. And I don't know if QQ Timer includes all the solves or if it throws out the best and worst. Not sure about that. Don't know. But 17. Whatever. Alright. That's it. That's it. Can't believe that shit. Yeah, by the way, go subscribe to our new fucking collaboration channel. It's called xxxb. That's xxxb. SICKXTB. It's fucking me, Tall 5001, Avid Cuber, and Bobo 11420. There's no videos up yet, but we're getting ready to unleash the beast. So go fucking check that shit out. Subscribe now. Let's go. Come on. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. Fuckers.